Hi guys, happy Tuesday. Hope you're all having a wonderful day there. Two quick things. First of all, I wanted to say a massive thank you to everybody who has given me wonderful and valuable feedback for the online course that I'll be launching in January. It's a 12-week course. I'm really excited about it, and the main feedback that I keep getting again and again is that people really want to connect more with the music. They want to be able to express the music more. They want to understand what the composer wants to say, and they would like to, we would all like to be more expressive, to sing more with our instruments, to create a beautiful phrase, long lines, and have a stronger sense of how to prepare and perform a piece with a stronger understanding of the structure beneath it, the musical structure beneath it. So these are some of the topics that we'll be looking at in my online course. And if you have any other suggestions in particular that you would really like to see the course incorporate, please by all means do comment below. Secondly, I just wanted to say that in the process of doing the launch, I will also be giving out a free mini cello tutorial video series. And this video series is going to include some of the most precious tips that I have encountered in my cello journey. So things that are partly to do with expressiveness, but also to do with technique. And these are things that I have found to be most helpful to me. I hope that they will also be as helpful or even more helpful to you. And thank you for being a part of this with me. And I look forward to continuing the conversation soon.